From jump starters to sound bars and chef knives and some other awesome savings. These are the top 5 deals of the week coming right up. Hi! You should never wave with a sharp knife. Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. This is actually not the knife that I ended up featuring because I found a deal on a different knife. And that's the great thing about what I do. I go in with the intention to profile one price drop and then something else drops in price. And sometimes it's a better product. And that could include Bluetooth headphones, which I have in an upcoming deal, and some really great smart home items. But more importantly, if you expand the video description box right under me, you're going to find a breakdown of the biggest bargains of this week. If you want to buy any of the items that I'm featuring, there are links right over there. So without any editing, because I'm just going to keep going. Without any further delay, let's start with the jump starter, chef knife, soundbar, and then a few other surprises. Whether it's a dead battery in your car, and I will tell you, this worked after I left the lights on in a rental all night long and then gave this car the boost to get it going. The lightweight Boost Pack 2 battery booster is compact enough for a glove compartment, but when your car battery needs to be charged, all you have to do is plug it into your car's DC port / cigarette lighter. There is no need to pop the hood. And then on top of that, it is also a USB charger to ensure that all of your tech gets powered and then some. If you want to score this jump starter, just expand the video description box right under me. That is where you will find the lowest recorded price on that. And at the time I'm recording this jump starter is under 30 bucks. Let's now make our way to the chef knife. Now I was actually going to do a deal from Wussoff or Hinkles, but there was another knife which was the bestseller from Prime Day, which is back at an even lower price.
Hey Matt, thanks a lot for sending me yet another knife. And you sent me my favorite, the 8-inch French knife or chef's knife or cook's knife is the most universal tool that you can have in your kitchen, period. The Hinkle is one of my absolute favorites. This is the stamped line, which is their more affordable line. It doesn't mean it's low quality. This is a great opportunity to step into the fine German craftsmanship that is Hinkle. No exception, one of my absolute favorites.
What could be the last chef knife you'll ever buy is waiting for you. Expand the video description box under 50 bucks. Now, between March Madness and movie nights and unlocking all of your favorite content and giving it the audio level it deserves, it doesn't matter what type of TV you have, brand new, older, there is absolutely no way the audio coming out of it is good. And if it is good, it's probably average and it could be a lot better, which is why one of my favorite soundbar deals is a great addition this time of year. I present on audio every year at the Consumer Electronics Show, pardon the grainy footage, but I am there and I am looking at the best soundbars and this rocks. A brand new soundbar from Yamaha, which has built-in subwoofers and Bluetooth, so you can actually stream your music, and it is beautifully wireless. You get enhanced dialogue clarity for your favorite shows and movies, and when it comes to the big game, this is a winner. I am a huge fan of this deal. Now, the deal that I found is open box. These were actually a series of untouched demo units at CES, which means they are now at an unprecedented price drop. If your feet are feeling a little bit tired or stressed this time of year, we all spend a lot of time taking care of our face and our aches and our muscles, but your feet sometimes get neglected. Now, I'm not a pedicure guy, but there's a price drop tied to something that gives you all of the benefits of a pedicure. In fact, I don't know if you guys can actually see this, but I stand on one of these gel pads. I stand all day long. I'm sometimes on my feet 15 hours a day, depending on what type of show I'm shooting, where I am, or the airport. So this is a cool product that could actually relieve and soothe your feet. From calluses to dead skin to all of those other fun things we don't want to talk about, we depend heavily on our feet. And of course, the shape that our feet happen to be in affects our knees, our back, how we walk, and any other type of pain you might be experiencing. A 100% natural product that just dropped in price is a great way to save your feet. These 100% natural foot pads do their magic work and combine everything from a foot massage to the benefits of a pedicure to take care of your feet on the spot over time. Those foot pads located right under this video screen, and you know what, we have one beauty product. I figure I would bring one other one to your attention, which tested really well with my deal guy focus groups. It's a facial brush that will actually take care of blackheads, acne, wrinkles, and fine lines. If you guys could see, but I've got crow's nests, they're forming, and this is something that I might want to look into. From acne to blackheads, sunspots, wrinkles, any type of scarring, fine lines, I'm getting those crow's nests around my eyes and large pores. This is the key to giving your face a soft and fresh appearance. If you've ever gone to a facial, which costs you about $160 to $250, or you've ever had medical spa treatment with a dermatologist, which is $450 and up, they all use this brush. If you want to take years off your face, under $45, we'll do the trick today. You can score the top-rated microdermabrasion facial brush for under 40 bucks, which is a great grab on that. And again, if you want to grab anything that I just showed you, it's located under the video screen. Let me know what other products you're looking for, if I could do more in-depth reviews on singular products. I would love to do that. I'm here for you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here for me. And if you're not yet subscribed, this is what you can do. Just click on my head right here. That'll subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, click here. And that last big roundup of deals I did, right over here.